Today I would like to talk to you about mixed numbers or mixed fractions. They are also called compound fractions, you might hear that, and how to turn them into improper fractions. A mixed number or a mixed fraction is nothing but a compound of a whole number and a fraction. Now, what's an improper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction in which the denominator is bigger than the numerator. So when you have a fraction in which the denominator is smaller than the numerator, you have an improper fraction. Now, the way to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction is to multiply the denominator by the numerator and by the whole number, and then add your numerator. So multiplying the denominator, which is 5 times 3, the whole number, equals 15, and then you add your numerator, 4, and the denominator stays the same, and here is your improper fraction. 15 plus 4 equals 19 over 5. Now, why do we do it this way? It is because of all the fractions are about. So when you have a whole number here that is 3, you can think of it as 3 whole bars, like chocolate bars, or 3 whole pies. And the denominator determines how many sections each bar has. So we have 3 whole bars here, and each bar has 5 sections. And because 3 is a whole number, let's think that in each bar, all 5 sections are occupied, okay? Now we have a fraction here, which is our 4th bar, and it has also 5 sections. And here, instead of a whole bar being occupied, only 4 sections. The numerator determines how many sections are occupied. So 4 sections here are occupied. And when you count this, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So this is how it works. 19 over 5. The denominator always stays the same. Another way to think about it is to know that in a mixed number, what you have is a whole number plus a fraction. So this actually means 3 plus 4 over 5. And since the denominator is 5, we can think of each whole number as 5 divided by 5, okay? So each of them, each time you divide 5 by 5, it equals 1, right? So we have 3 whole numbers here and your fraction here. This is actually adding fractions. So when you add fractions, the denominator stays the same, and then you add the numerators. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals 19 over 5. Now, to do it faster, this is the way you do it. Again, denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. Let's look at 2 more. So here we have this mixed fraction. The whole number is 2, and then you have 5 divided by 7. So to turn it into an improper fraction, you multiply denominator 7 by 2, which is your whole number, equals 14, and then you add your numerator 5. Denominator stays the same. This is also 19 over 7. Here, your whole number is 3, and then you have this fraction, which could be simplified, but I didn't because I wanted to simplify it at the end. So denominator times the whole number, 6 times 3 equals 18, plus your numerator 4. Denominator stays the same. So you have 18 plus 4, 22 over 6. This can always be simplified. 22 is actually 2 times 11. 6 is 2 times 3. You can cross out 2 and 2 because 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and you can always take 1 out of a multiplication. So this is your simplified number here. Let's do one more, shall we? 3 times 2 over 5. Again, denominator times the whole number, 15, plus the numerator, 2. Denominator stays the same. So you have 17 over 5. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.